Now we are officially uploaded. Everything's running. We can go into settings, see what this thing can do. Yeah, quick video. So definitely YouTubers, check them out for this NeuTab K1S tablet. So there I am. It's installed. So there's the memory. 3 hours left, 90%. So maybe 100%. Okay, that's cool. So it tells it that. Storage. That's 11 gigs under data. Okay, that's good. Storage. Oh, you could do a screenshot setting, security, languages, backup reset, print 7.1, and it comes with a screen protection also. APK market, clean master downloads, Google Maps, NeuTab. I don't know what this shows. Maybe just a brief demo. Hopefully, oh, okay, yep. Not right now. I don't need to see that video. But really cool. Web is working. Come on. There we go. Keyboard come up. I got one of those wireless keyboards. The mini ones I'll use. Come on. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, you can personalize it. Alright, get back out of there. Type in. Pretty fast though. Once it starts warming up. Here we go. Google. Lions, not a good game for them. Oh no. So yeah, the Eagles right now down. So this is really good. I'm just gonna have to tweak it a little bit once I mess around with it pretty much later tonight. We got the scores already updated up here. See, Lions lost. Pistons, they lost. Alright, that's cool. So definitely check them out. Get this NeuTab at a low cost. Great for any age. A lot of cool features. I'm just going to download some more apps to it. And then that's about it. So like I said, lightweight, great runtime. I've got all this good stuff. And that's about it, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a great night. See you guys soon. And check these guys out. NeuTab tablets. Alright, see ya.